As of now, detailed information about the Xiaomi 15T series remains limited, with the company yet to make an official announcement. However, based on industry patterns and available data, the Xiaomi 15T is rumored to feature a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 1220 by 2712 pixels and a 144 Hz refresh rate, ensuring a smooth visual experience. It's expected to be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8400 chipset, an octa-core processor clocked at 3.25 GHz, paired with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage. The camera setup may include a triple 50MP configuration, a wide-angle main sensor, a telephoto lens, and an ultra-wide lens, catering to diverse photography needs. The device is anticipated to house a substantial 6,000 mAh battery, supporting 80W fast charging and reverse charging capabilities. Additional features might encompass dual SIM support, 5G connectivity, Wi-Fi, NFC, an IR blaster, and an in-display fingerprint sensor. The Xiaomi 15T is expected to run on Android 15, customized with Xiaomi's HyperOS 2 interface. Please note that these specifications are based on rumors and should be taken with caution until official confirmation is provided.